this video is going to show you what a two-way table looks like and how we tackle it. It really is the basic bones of a two-way table. So I've named it part 1, and then obviously part 2, part 3, they get harder obviously as they go along. Excuse me, but for now, we'll just start with this one. A two-way table is literally, you can deal with something two ways. So it's saying here that there were 8 sweet snacks sold at a shop that were hot. There is 14 sweet snacks at the shop, but they were cold. So in total, there was 22 sweet snacks. Okay? Same again. This is your total line. So this is telling us that in total, there is 24 cold snacks sold at the local shop. Same here is telling us there was 50 in total snacks sold in the local shop. So now what it's asking us is to find how many savoury hot snacks were sold at the shop. Now to do that, all you've got to do is, you've got your total, it's 26. So we're going to do 26 subtract 8 will give us our missing number, and it's 18. So the question is, how many hot savoury snacks were sold in the local shop? We know it's 18. That's it. We found the missing link, the missing number. So we're going to do the same again, but now we're going to ask, there's going to be 2 missing. So you always look at the easiest option. What's the easiest option? Well, they're both pretty much the same, aren't they? There's nothing. Oh, actually, I'm going to go for this one first. Let's start at the top. So we've got predators, and they want to know how many animals are predators. Well, we've got 18. And we've got 26. So we're going to do 26 minus 18 is, and I'm just working out in my head, it's 8. I don't know why that took me so long. So that's 8. So we know now that mammals, non-predators, are 8. So how many animals are predators? Oh, fuck. It's not. This two-way table has got 2 missing, and the question says the two-way table gives information about animals at a zoo. How many animals are predators? So remember, we're going to look for predator, which is this one. And the total amount, we have 18 mammals plus 20 non-mammals. So in total, we have 38. We have 38 mammals. So there we can fill that in. And you could check your answer because they're giving us 68. So we can add them 2 up and it equals 68. So we know that that's right. And now we've got another missing one. How many mammals are non-predators? Mammal, non-predator. I mean, that's pretty obvious. We've got a blank there. So we're just going to do the same as we did before. So we've got the total of 26. And we're going to subtract our 18, which leaves us with 8. So our new non-predator mammals is 8. And once again, you can add them up and it should equal 26. So there we have it. It's nice and simple at the moment. Yeah, on a foundation paper maybe. I'll probably say this one is more likely going to be on a foundation paper, but I have to teach you to understand what we're doing first. So the two-way table gives information about the number of people sitting or standing on different modes of public transport when they arrived at a station. Now, there are questions to this, but I thought for this purpose, we'll just fill it in. So let's find out how many are standing on the train first. And that's purely because we've got a lot of information to fill it. Here we haven't got any information, but here we have. We know that if we do 58, which is our total, subtract 25 equals 33. So we know that that's going to be 33. And obviously, you can add them up to check your answer. 20, 30, 40, 50, 5 and 3. So that works. So now we've got a little bit more information and we can solve this. So train and sitting, let's have a look. We know the total is 125. And we now know that we got 33 on the train. So let's do the maths. And this will be a non-calculator, if I'm going to be honest. So 125 minus 33 is, should have done it, shouldn't I, prior. 125 minus 33 is 92. So we can add them up to get our total of people sitting, which is 80 plus 92. So that's, maybe it's non-calculator, so I'm going to do non-calculator with you. So that's 2. 9 and 8 is 7. So that's 172. Sitting. And we're just going to check now because they've given us 230. We've got to check that this is right. So we've got 172 plus 58, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Carry the 1. 1 times 5. Sorry, 1 plus 1 is 2. That equals 230. So I've just been able to check that 172 is right. So the beauty of these questions is you can go back and check your answers. Because if that hadn't added up to 230, I know that I've done something wrong here, which has made this wrong, or I've just done something wrong and added up something wrong here. So always check your answers. That's, if you can, check your answers always. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.